How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can clip your Valorant using Medal TV. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Just open up your Medal TV application, and from here, you then want to set your hotkey into unique or uncommon key so you won't be able to press them accidentally while playing your game. So in my case, I've set it this way. And here you can also set the duration of your clip. Now, most commonly, you want to use something like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. And lastly, you then want to set your quality by choosing one of these options, or if you want to, you can set it your own by clicking on the Manage Quality option. Now that you're good to go, you just want to open up your Valorant and then you want to select this specific button at the top of Medal TV. You then want to click on the Valorant game option so it will be compatible with the Valorant game itself. Now from there, you just want to continue by playing your game regularly, and if you got a unique event or unique gameplay, you then want to press your hotkey. So in my case, it's going to be this one, and then it will clip by saying save the last 15 seconds, 30, or depending on duration. So from there, let's just navigate back to our Model TV application, click on the clips library, and here it is right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.